Bitboy forecasts that an XRP exchange-traded fund will be launched soon. Except for memes, exchange-traded funds have been the most talked about cryptocurrency in 2024. As a result of the success of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds and the impact they have on the price of the asset, market speculators have their sights set squarely on other cryptocurrencies, which they believe will be the next in line to acquire the traditional investment wrap. XRP may be one of the competitors. A prominent market pundit has recently provided speculators with an extra reason to anticipate the establishment of an exchange-traded fund that would invest in XRP. Ben Bitboy Armstrong indicated on Friday, December 13, that he was certain that the launch of XRP exchange-traded fund FED was soon. This opinion was supported by the influencer who cited the benefits that were reported by Grayscale's XRP Trust, which opened its doors in September of 2024. To be more specific, the share price of the trust has increased by more than 300 from its opening price of $10.8 to its current price of $47-48 at the time of this writing. Armstrong claimed, given these gains, that there's a good sign that XRP exchange-traded fund is on the way. Grayscale's XRP Trust performance chart since the inception of the cryptocurrency, a chart illustrating the performance of Grayscale's XRP Trust since its launch, a source grass-colored. Armstrong's view comes at a time when the gains that Grayscale's product has seen might potentially boost the trust of institutional investors in the asset. This is one of the elements that is driving the push for the introduction of a spot XRP exchange-traded fundo. There are also other considerations, like as the Securities and Exchange Commission anticipated turn toward cryptocurrency during the administration of Donald Trump, as well as Ripple's partial victory over the regulator in July 2023 in the ongoing dispute regarding the asset classification of XRP. Ripple's XRP transactions were classified as unregistered securities offerings by the Securities and Exchange Commission staff under the leadership of Jay Clayton in December 2020. After Gary Gensler took over as head of the Securities and Exchange Commission in 2021, this position was maintained, which resulted in a court struggle that lasted for a total of 4 years. Annalisa Torres, a United States district judge, issued a ruling in July 2023 that XRP, both as an asset and through its secondary transactions, did not constitute unregistered securities. This decision provided the cryptocurrency with some legal certainty. So when might the XRP exchange-traded fund be launched? In general, the Securities and Exchange Commission, STAC, has 240 days to respond to an application for an exchange-traded fund. In the best-case scenario, investors XRP might be looking at an approval timetable that extends to July 2025, given that the most recent application for an XRP exchange-traded fund is expected to be submitted in November 2024. However, analysts such as James Seifert of Bloomberg have pointed out that the clearance process for alternative exchange-traded funds would take a little bit longer than some people anticipated. Initially, according to Seifert, these assets might require a futures market that is regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, FTT, that has been formed. The past few months have seen at least 4 asset managers submit applications to develop spot XRP exchange-traded funds. Canary Capital, 21 Shares, Bitwise, and Wisdom Tree are some of the asset managers that fall under this category. The total earnings that miners receive for processing transactions and defending the network include $67 billion from block subsidies and $4.18 billion from transaction fees. These revenues are sourced from the network. There have been a total of 19 million Bitcoins mined up to this point, which accounts for 94.2 of the overall supply cap of 21 million Bitcoins. There have been 873,000 blocks mined since the Genesis block, and the average amount of time it takes to mine a block is 11 minutes. In addition, Bitcoin has witnessed a tremendous increase in the number of transactions it processes, with over 1.12 billion transactions unfiltered and a total transfer volume of $131 trillion being processed since its start. Regarding the realm of cryptocurrencies, Dark Defender emphasizes that XRP is currently at a vital stage, which is influencing the direction in which its price is moving. Traders should take note of the emergence of a bullish flag on the XRP chart, which he notes as an important event that should be taken into consideration. In what price levels is XRP considered to be critical? The essential resistance levels that Dark Defender identifies are $2, $2.5, and $2.7, with a potential peak at $5. When looking at the other side of the coin, he detects support points at $2.9 based on the current bullish flag pattern. He cautions that the window of opportunity for XRP upward movement may be closing. His past predictions suggest that XRP might achieve an all-time high of $5 as it advances toward this target soon. How do analysts view XRP's future? Other experts echo similar expectations for XRP's price trajectory. Ben Armstrong forecasts that the price of XRP could reach $4.50 by the beginning of the following year, while Ali Martinez believes that a breakout will lead to a value of $4. The crypto presents two potential outcomes. Like their scenario suggests that there will be fluctuations between $2.27 and $2.50 before an upward breakout. And the second scenario suggests that there will be a drop below $2.27, followed by consolidation in the range of $2.17 to $2.7 before recovery to be able to challenge its all-time high of $3.80. XRP needs to break through the resistance level of $2.52. It is essential to keep a stable price range to align with exponential moving averages. Traders should pay close attention to the highlighted resistance and support levels because they have the potential to determine the near-term movement of XRP. Potential increases could cause the price of XRP to skyrocket to $18 if conditions are favorable. Binance emphasized the significance of diversification in addition to the aforementioned tactics described above. Bitcoin, which may be used as a store of wealth, Ethereum, which can be used for smart contracts, and other growth-oriented tokens like Solana, Acela, and XRP could be included in a portfolio that is considered to be balanced financially. Increased exposure to the risks associated with a single investment can be mitigated by diversifying across numerous assets. Binance advised investors to store stablecoins to weather market downturns and to investigate staking or yield farming to generate passive income. This was done to better limit risk. In addition, the company recommended to investors that they make use of safe storage options such as hardware wallets and that they rely on portfolio trackers to keep track of their transactions. To determine its position in the market, the upcoming price movements of XRP will be extremely important because the crucial levels that have been identified by Dark Defender and other analysts will have a significant impact on trading strategies. Traders are strongly encouraged to maintain a high level of vigilance regarding these levels. Hodling and dollar cost averaging are two of the most important strategies for investing in cryptocurrencies, and Binance has provided its perspective on each of these strategies. The advice, which was published on the blog of the company, is intended to assist investors in navigating the turbulent cryptocurrency market with a particular emphasis on achieving success over the long run. Dollar cost averaging, as described by Binance, is a method of investing that includes automatically investing a predetermined amount at predetermined times, independent of the current market price.